Interestingly, I have to take the pictures here also. Again.
Said, if you remove hatred, there remains love. So
It is natural. Yes, it is part of me, you know. So if you look at it that way, what is special about a wife? Your love is for all. No? And a wife is only a special relationship in a natural way.
process of consciousness to feel this love.
No, it's like a fruit ripening, you know. When it is raw, it is raw, and when it is ripe, it is sweet.
Left to right.
It is like that. And like a raw fruit, a raw mango or a ripe mango, it doesn't know for itself that I am raw or I am ripe. It doesn't know, no? Can it know? For instance, you think of yourself as a baby, as a small girl, as a teenager, as a romantic lover, as a wife, as a mother, eventually a grandmother, and you never see any difference in yourself. You see, if there were no mirrors in this world, none of us would know what we were and what we are. Oh, I have always been like this. It's the mirror which creates all the problems. Mirror, mirror on the wall. There begins hatred, jealousy. So, you see, we mess up our lives.
Master, can you share something about forgiving?
Forgiving.
Yes, it is so difficult to feel it inside. I can say, okay, I will forgive him, but I don't.
Salam, salam. Salam. We must accept one thing. This is fundamental to happiness. And what is it? That in nature there is diversity. You know? Diversity means variety. Variety of form, variety of content, variety of colors, variety of natures, everything. When you accept this, there's no question of forgiving or accepting or anything. He is what he is because at this moment he has to be like that. So who are you to forgive? As they say in the Bible, vengeance is mine, saith the Lord. You know? And hatred is also a sort of violence. It's mental violence. You don't have to kill somebody to be violent. Isn't it? Hatred is mental violence. Good morning. So when I accept there's a, now you have this famous shop, United Colors of Benetton. How did it suddenly come about that you can advertise clothes with a black man, yellow man, blue man, white man, everything there, and take pride in it. Why all of a sudden this love for the black and the brown? Tell me. Have we really changed inside? No, like the Americans who are generally foolish. They want big oranges, Californian oranges, big oranges, Californian grapes. But they have no taste. So if you are looking for taste, which is value, you don't look at the outside. So what matters it if he is a black man or a brown man or a white man? If his taste, as you call it, his quality is good. Whether a diamond is 5 carats or half a carat, it is the quality which determines its price. Oh, give me a 5-carat diamond, Nobody goes and asks like that. I know once when Hans Garloff was looking for, he was making his wife a diamond pendant or something. And I went with him. He said, Charlie, come with me. So I went. And he was inside for half an hour. And then that shopkeeper brought me out a piece of velvet, tray. 3 tiny diamonds. I said, Hans, you took so long to... He said, yes, but Charlie, it is the quality that matters. So we must translate that idea of quality to everything that we see. We like lions, When you see an MG brewing, you are proud. Because you like power and, It's another quality. Weakness is another quality. The only thing is opposite of power. So there's a scale. So once I was discussing with Gertie Putra about smells. We were going on a walk and there was some stink from nearby, And Germans, good Germans, they... So I gave her a lecture for 20 minutes. I said, like light has a spectrum, smells have a spectrum. Human nature has a spectrum. And the spectrum would not be complete without even one of them. And if in the Vibgyor scheme, why did it go blue, green? You remove blue, there would be no white light. Would it? And can you have a piano keyboard with only do? It must be music. You see how many times she is able to strike do and make music. Do, re, do, re, do, re, do, re. So you need a whole keyboard. So you need a whole spectrum of human beings. The blackest black, the whitest white, and everything in between. If you look at life that way, life is simple, it's beautiful. We are able to love everybody.
What about the people that do a lot of violence?
Violence.
Or murder?
Yes, because they hate themselves. You only project onto the outer world what you are inside. If you are peaceful inside, there's peaceful. That's what Babuji said, my master said, He said, if you want to bring peace on earth, all these United Nations, blah, 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 will not work. Form a chain of people, white, yellow, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, white, like that. It will not work. Then they will go and wash their hands with soap. Yeah, I know a white man who used to have a black colleague, And every time he shook hands, he used to surreptitiously wipe his hands. That's the hypocrisy of the white man. So if it is inside, it has to come. And you cannot put it on yourself, you know. I cannot slap myself. So I slap you. This is violence. Morning. Salam. You said 3.
Master, I brought in the 3. The 2 came by themselves.
My grandmother used to say, the problem in life is wherever I go, my shadow goes with me. She was a wise lady. You know, I'm talking of the 30s when I was a 5-year-old. She used to tell me, this is the problem of life. And of course, psychology says you have a shadow inside you, you know. Which when it is very extreme, they say Satan, Shaitan. You are all from Dublin or where? Galway. My favorite place in Ireland. When are you going to build that ashram there?
Soon.
Well, I have been, I made a promise to myself that I will have an ashram in Galway.
Galway.
You don't know about it?
We're looking for a new center still.
Well, I think I'll have to come there once and drop a seed. You know, and then a tree will come up.
Please come to
Drop
Japan
it now.
too.
What about Donegal? Coming to Donegal.
Yes. It's a wild place.
Connemara. Otherwise.
I would love to go to Donegal, you know. But I'm told it's windy and cold. I wear Donegal tweeds.
Yes. Master, how can we grow the mission in Donegal?
Love what you do. Don't try to love them. You know? We are doing too much with our heads. Oh, how can I make her an abhyasi? No. You don't make abhyasis. They become abhyasis. You know, I started life on 150 rupees in India a month as a salesman. And in 4 years, I was at the top in my company. Because I had a philosophy, I don't sell, I make you buy. It's a fact, there's a big difference. You know? So Babuji once asked me, you know, when he was very happy with me, and he said, Partha Sharthi, how to get more people like you in the mission? I said, pick up salesmen. Salesmen who make you buy, not who try to sell to you. All these sales pitches and, you know, discounts and bribes. I used to go to the only aircraft factory in India, the Hindustan Aircraft Limited, you know. And for 5 years, I could do nothing. We had good products. Finally, I just left the product on the table. They said, what can you do? I said, you find out. I said, I'm not a technical man, you know. I'm only a guy who goes around. You know. He said, but you know, you have to earn a salary, that means you have to sell. I said, no. If I don't have this job, I'll get another job. But if you don't take this product, you are going to have a done product. Oh, he said, is that so? I said, well, try it. It's your product. You try it. You be happy. That year I walked away with the order. And then subsequently it was always my order. Instead of saying, oh, this is like this is made of tungsten carbide, it will never fail. You know, your aircraft will fly forever. And then he says, but what about the other parts? You know? So that is the secret. And Babuji said, if you want to spread Sahajmal, you must be an example of what it can do. Understand? Not try to show him and say, look at Alberto or look at here. It's like a doctor who says, don't smoke, you get cancer, and he's smoking. And you say, doctor, you are smoking. He says, oh, but I'm a doctor, I know how to take care of myself. Would you trust him? So it's very simple. Live Sahajmal. Don't be a Sahajmalki. Live Sahajmal. Everybody has an advantage when they come to India. These guys, they earn in pounds, they earn in dollars, And for every pound that they need in England or Ireland or Scotland, if they can live on a day, 1 pound, here they can live for 10 days on that 1 pound. So for them it's easy to come here. But for us with a rupee, what I would spend over a month, I need to spend in a day. That's the problem.
Master, this is my mother. She's just started
Welcome.
last
Thank you.
Tuesday. Have you any advice for her? Have you any advice for her?
She will learn as she goes along. It's a basic fact of life. You go on the road, you know if you are on the right road or not. Isn't it? You don't keep asking, am I on the right road? A good Irishman will say, well, I guess you should be, God blind me, but otherwise you don't ask that guy, he will know. And he says, that depends on where you're going. And the joker will say, well, Galway, it was there yesterday, I suppose it's still there. Mind you, I could be wrong. Because the British never want to say I'm right. Their arrogance is in their humility. 2 and 2?
4.
Oh, well, I guess it's 4, but I could be wrong. I was never very good at mathematics. The humility, the idea of humility. Well, I have to go to work. I said 15 minutes, it's actually 18 minutes.